Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make some delicious bread. This bread is so good that you'll never stop eating it. So in this video we're going to show you how to make it. So here I'm using some organic wheat flour. So I'm just using organic, but you can use normal wheat flour. So now we're going to add 3.5 cups of wheat flour. Now we're going to add 1/4 tablespoon salt and 1/4 tablespoon sugar. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon yeast and mix. You can add more salt, but make sure you don't add too much because it's going to taste salty and yeah. Now we're going to add 2 cups of hot water or lukewarm water and mix. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons oil. And then start kneading it with your hands so all the ingredients mix well together. And now take some oil in your hands and then just pour it on the top and apply like oil on the top. And cover it with some like plastic foil and let it sit for an hour. So this is how it looks like after 1 hour. Sesame seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds are some healthy seeds we'll be using in this recipe. Add all those seeds into the dough and knead it well. These seeds all contain healthy qualities, so it makes the bread taste really good and it's healthy. So fold the dough in layers so it mixes well and creates like a good texture for our dough. And do it several times so you get a good texture and you mix well. So this is how the dough looks like. And rest it aside for 10 minutes so it just rests. Okay, now set your oven to preheat your oven to 130 degrees. So some ovens have modes, so you use that mode if you have an oven with those types of modes. We didn't have a bread oven container, so we just used rectangle container and used aluminum foil to split it in half. Then just sprinkle some flour on the tray and put in your dough and just press it down so it's evenly in the tray and cover with the cloth till the oven is preheated. And now place the tray inside your oven. And if you want a crunchy crust for your bread, place a tray underneath with water so you get a crunchy and delicious crust. So we're going to cook this bread for about 30 minutes. So this is how your bread looks like after 30 minutes. It looks so good. And that's it, guys. Your homemade delicious bread is ready. This bread is so good. I think I ate most of it. The texture and everything was so delicious. And it was perfectly cooked. I love this bread. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Bye!